What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the Ryodo shower speaker. Now they're saying it's a shower speaker, really you can use it just about anywhere you want. It is a Bluetooth speaker, but it's IPX7 certified. With IPX7, it's waterproof, it's sandproof, plus they're saying that this is extremely durable. From the feel of it, it seems like to be a pretty solid little speaker. We got instructions and cable. Oh, it comes with a suction cup. Cool. We've got a cool suction cup with a hook on it for the shower. Little rectangular carabiner. USB to micro USB and a 3.5 to 3.5. Oh, hey, that's pretty nice looking. It's got this nice black grill on the front of it with the logo and the name. It's got the blue accent. Now this does come in blue and red. It does have a built-in mic. I'm not sure where that is. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't find any information on what version of Bluetooth this is. I'll definitely do a distance check. Also, I don't know what the actual milliamp hour battery is in here, but they're saying that it lasts about 12 hours. So at the top, you've got your power, your play, pause, answer, hang up, negative, plus for volume and track control. On the side, you get this little flap, says auxiliary in and USB. So there you go, you get your 3.5 millimeter jack and your micro USB port with the, what is that? That is a reset button. And of course, it's got this rubber tab and that's what you would use to hook it in the shower. They just hang in the shower like that. That's pretty cool. All right, let's power this thing on and see what it sounds like. Oh, there we go.
Enter the Bluetooth.
Enter the Bluetooth. That's what I heard. Okay. Oh, look, and it matches my phone. Cool.
Connection successful.
That was fast. Wow. Man, that's got some bass to it. It's got some good sound to it. I gotta say, the volume level on here is actually not bad, but it's very clean sound. And I'm actually kind of surprised. I didn't think that there was gonna be any bass with this. So in that case, let's try some bass boosted and blow the speakers up. For such a little tiny thing, man. And it's heavy duty. All right, let's try quality. Let's do a little good mythical.
First up, we wanted to start with cereal. So it is our pleasure to present to you the Froot Loops Churro.
The clarity on here is good, and there was no latency. I know I'm like 2 inches from, you know, the phone and the speaker, but no visual latency. I didn't notice anything. I'm gonna do a distance check. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna start walking away with my phone and see how long it takes for it to start skipping. All right. I got like right at 30 feet and it just cut off. So yeah, that's pretty good. Before we stick it in the water, let's make a phone call. Call my boy D.
Hey, what's up, bro?
D.
What's up, man?
What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy?
So, hey, I need you to tell me, how do I sound? Do I sound like I'm on the phone? Do I sound like I'm on a speaker?
No, dude, you sound perfect. Like, actually, like, it's even better than every time calling me.
Really? It sounds better than talking on the phone. That's good. Well, it's got a good microphone. Cool. All right, now, let's dunk this thing in water. This is the best part. Should I do speaker down? Speaker up? Speaker down. All right, let's go back to Rhett and Link real quick. Let's make sure it still has quality. I think there's water in the speaker right now, though.
We ask the age-old question. Will it churro? Let's talk about that.
Ah, it sounds really bad right now. Hold on, let me get the water out.
Good mythical morning.
This thing is
Today
great.
is the season
it's loud.
finale of Good Mythical.
I like it. I like it a lot. All right, let's get, oops. I'm washing down the table. First of all, it's very durable. It's very compact. The thing feels extremely solid. It feels like a little brick. It's a very tough little unit, that's for sure. And the microphone sounds really good. Highs and mids, they're great. They sound really great on here. I'm gonna give like the highs and mids like a 7 for this little thing. Bass, I'm gonna give a 7 also. For something this tiny, it actually has pretty good bass. All around, fantastic sound. Ryodo, good job. Seriously, good job. This thing is absolutely great. This would be the perfect beach speaker. I mean, you know, it's affordable, it's 20 bucks. throw it in a bag, throw it in a purse, throw it in your pocket even. Take this to the beach, the pool, hang it in your shower. It comes with the suction cup. It doesn't get any more clear than that. But it's loud too. It's got the bass and everything. Yeah, this thing's great. I like it. This is a winner. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna quote them also. 100% money back guarantee. Ryodu offers a hassle-free 30-day money back guarantee. We always serve you after the sale. That's a plus. Ryodu, you guys are doing it right. Keep doing what you guys are doing. That's pretty good. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. Definitely go check this one out. If you're looking for a cheap, waterproof, durable little speaker, this is a good choice. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it into your hands, but as for now, get out of here.